Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding, Bug Off. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English expressions and phrases. Today, we have a really interesting phrase to discuss, bug off. Have you ever heard someone say it? Are you curious to know what it means and how to use it? Well, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we explore this phrase together. Bug off is an informal and quite direct phrase used to tell someone to go away or leave you alone. It carries a sense of frustration or annoyance, showing that the person speaking wants some space. It's equivalent to saying, "Leave me alone," or "Go away," but it's a bit more casual and can be more blunt. Now that we know what bug off means, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. Imagine you're trying to concentrate on your work, and a colleague keeps talking to you. You might say, "Hey, can you bug off? I really need to focus right now." 2. If a person is trying to sell you something on the street, and you're not interested, you could say, "No thanks, please bug off." In both of these examples, the phrase is used to assertively communicate that you want to be left alone. It's important to note that bug off is quite informal and can be perceived as rude if not used carefully. It's best used in situations where you have a close relationship with the other person, and they understand that you're just being frank, or in situations where you need to be assertive to protect your personal space. It's not a phrase you would want to use with your boss, a respected colleague, or someone you don't know well, as it could give off the wrong impression and potentially harm your relationship with them. And there you have it, folks. Bug off is a handy phrase to have in your English toolkit for those moments when you just need a bit of space. Just remember to use it with the right people and in the right context to avoid any unintended rudeness. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding this phrase. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on English language learning. See you next time.